Zyro is a dropshipping software that you may be considering for your online business, but before you make a decision, here are 12 things you need to know about it. In this video, we'll break down Zyro's features and compare them to its competitors to help you make an informed choice. First thing, Zyro is known for its ease of use. It offers a drag-and-drop website builder, which means you don't need to be tech-savvy to create a sleek, professional-looking store. But how does it compare to other platforms? While Shopify also has a user-friendly interface, Zyro is arguably simpler, especially for beginners. Next thing, Zyro offers a variety of customizable templates for your store. These templates are designed to make your store visually appealing, but here's the catch: they don't offer as much flexibility as some other platforms like WooCommerce or Shopify, where you can get deeper customization options through plugins. The third thing to keep in mind is Zyro's pricing. It's more affordable than Shopify or BigCommerce, which is a plus for those on a budget. The downside is that you may miss out on advanced features or integrations that come with pricier platforms, like advanced reporting tools or third-party app support. The fourth thing, and something that stands out, is Zyro's integrated AI tools. It includes an AI writer, logo maker, and even a tool for creating content for your website. These tools are handy, but they might not be as refined or powerful as those offered by competitors like Shopify or Wix, which allow for more robust third-party app integrations. Moving on to the fifth thing, Zyro's product management is easy to use, but not as feature-rich as other dropshipping platforms. For example, it doesn't have as many built-in tools for automating your orders or managing inventory, which could be a drawback for larger businesses. Platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce offer more extensive tools for this. The sixth thing is Zyro's customer support. While it offers 24/7 live chat, the quality of support can be hit or miss. Competitors like Shopify and Wix tend to offer more comprehensive support options, including phone support, which can be a deal breaker if you run into issues during critical moments. Next thing, if you're looking for advanced marketing tools, Zyro might leave you wanting more. While it offers SEO tools and basic email marketing features, it doesn't have the same depth of options that Shopify or WooCommerce offers. You may need to rely on third-party tools to enhance your marketing efforts. The eighth thing is Zyro's integration with dropshipping suppliers. It's relatively limited compared to Shopify, which has deep integrations with AliExpress, Spocket, and others. Zyro does have integrations, but the range of products you can source is smaller, limiting your options. The ninth thing to consider is the lack of multi-currency support. If you're planning on selling to international customers, this could be a problem. Competitors like Shopify allow you to easily manage multi-currency and multi-country stores, something Zyro doesn't offer at the same level. The 10th thing is that Zyro doesn't have a built-in point of sale (PS) system. If you plan to have a physical store or want to sync your online sales with in-person sales, you might want to look at platforms like Shopify or Square, which have strong POS systems built in. The 11th thing to know is Zyro's speed. The platform is known for its fast loading times, which is great for customer experience and SEO. While other platforms like Shopify are also fast, Zyro's lightweight design helps it stand out for users looking for speed without sacrificing aesthetics. Finally, Zyro does offer a free trial, which is great for anyone who wants to test the platform before committing. But compared to other platforms, the features available during the free trial are limited, so you'll need to upgrade quickly to access the full range of options. So, is Zyro worth it? It's a solid option for new dropshippers who want a simple, affordable platform to start their business. However, if you're looking for more advanced features or plan to scale, you might find that platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce better suit your needs. For those looking for a more tailored solution, check out our recommended platform, which you can try for free.